Repair of corroded tanks at a copper mine using FRP. A hydrometallurgical facility of a copper mining complex in northwest Mexico with 3 corroded settling tanks chooses an FRP lining repair system from US-based QuakeWrap Inc. The settling tanks carry an electrolytic fluid and prior to the FRP repair had an inner surface protected with a semi-rigid liner bolted to the sides of the tanks. A combination of chemical and age degradation caused multiple breaches in this liner, leading to subsequent damage to the concrete surface due to long-term exposure to the electrolytic fluid. The dimensions of the tanks were approximately 75 feet by 69 feet by 5 feet, holding 200,000 gallons. The deterioration of structural integrity from leaking fluid, along with the loss of dissolved copper, dictated to owners that urgent structural repairs were needed. The repair procedure for the tanks included removal of the existing semi-rigid liner, removal of concrete damage on tank walls and floors, washing and neutralization of concrete surfaces, repairing the concrete surfaces, and preparation of concrete surfaces for the new FRP. QuakeWrap's FRP lining system is based on bidirectional glass fiber fabric saturated with epoxy resin using a unique saturation machine. Repairs to the tanks included preparation and saturation of the bidirectional glass fiber fabric, then applying the saturated FRP on both the vertical and horizontal surfaces. An outer coat of QuakeBond epoxy was then applied to provide long-term chemical resistance for the tanks. QuakeWrap's FRP repair procedure required relatively small crews and minimized downtime of the settling tanks. The FRP lining was much more cost-effective than welded in-place stainless steel linings that the plant had tried earlier to repair one tank. A total of approximately 8,200 square feet of FRP liner was installed per tank in less than a week, and the tanks have been in leak-free operation for over 5 years. QuakeWrap's FRP lining system is designed to restitute steel reinforcement area loss due to corrosion, provide efficient failure control against any natural or man-made seismic events, provide a leak-proof humidity barrier directly adhered to the tank's inner surface. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/QuakeWrapInc to learn more about the other types of repairs we perform on buildings, bridges, pipelines, ports, and piers.